I am so happy that you have made it to day 5. Let's continue. So our next step is to sew the skirt to the bodice. With our skirt wrong sides out and the bodice right sides out, we're going to pin the bodice and the skirt at the waist seam. Insert the bodice into the skirt and pin to secure. Next, we're going to sew the two together. To hem the circle skirt, fold the hem over by 1/2 inch. Ensuring that you're using a zigzag stitch, sew all the way around the hem of the circle skirt. And just like that, your beautiful Kyra is ready to be worn. Be sure to share your version of your dress on our Facebook page. We would love to see it. Until next time, see you later.